How to personalize settings in Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in Twitter. You can personalize settings in Twitter by going to a settings and privacy under your profile menu. To do this, you want to make sure that Twitter application is completely up to date. And then to begin with, you simply want to go ahead and open up your Twitter app, tap the initials from the top left corner of your screen, and here what you need is simply click on settings and support, go to settings and privacy from the list. On this section, you then need to go ahead and look for privacy and safety section. So this is where you could go ahead and personalize settings in Twitter. So one after the another, you go ahead and make changes with that. You could go ahead and personalize settings in Twitter, like audience and tagging, your post, content you see, mute and block, direct message, spaces, discoverability, and contact as well. And this is how you'll be able to personalize settings in Twitter. So that's the way you could go ahead and personalize settings in Twitter. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.